Hello folks, I'm going to give y'all a tutorial of how to post a story on furaffinity. So here we go. First, you go into text format. You need a program called OpenOffice and you need to go right into right here. Right here. Now, what I'm going to do here, as an example, I'm going to post an old story right here, back on, I did back on DA back then. This is a songfic, if you will, but, yeah. So, I hope you guys are paying attention to this. Alright, here we go. Now, let's see, I'm just going to paste that here. Now then, I need to clean some stuff here, right here. Now, these are the old copyrights, right? So, basically, yeah, sorry. Yeah, I'm recording this via phone, so sorry about the movements and stuff. Characters, copyright. Belongs to the rightful owners. Keep in mind, I now own Jen Prower, hence the reason why I have to clean things, do a minor cleanup on this and whatnot. Now, the songfic right here is Sleep Song by Secret Garden here, so yeah, make sure that's kept in still. This is kept in and whatnot. Alright, after that, just check your work to see if everything is in order. Right here, yeah. Alright, now you gotta pay attention to this. Now, after it's done and whatnot, damn it, sorry about that, after it's done and whatnot, save your data. Just, hit save. Put the, title here. Then, put in text format here. Put it in a basic document, such as here. Hit save. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah, this one is not colon friendly there, so, yeah, sorry about that. Anyways, keep current format. Exit out of that. Alright, here comes the fun part. Submitting. Alright. You go right here into story. Hit next step. Choose your file. Go here. Hit next. Put the name of the title in. And, put the requirements out there. One of my old fics. Did as a songfic. Enjoy. After that, since this is multiple characters involved, so put in multiple characters, general. Now, if it's a story regarding it's a mature story, an adult story, you may want to pick one of those if you're into that. Otherwise, if it's all ages, hit general. After that, oh yeah, keywords are recommended, and lock comments is recommended. Or you can put in a folder, which is also recommended. Soon after that, hit submit and finalize, and voila. See that? See that where that says text here, folks? See there that says text? Yeah, in order to see the complete full story, you gotta have it in text format. Otherwise, it's not gonna work properly. See? Just like that. Now then, I hope you actually got all that, and learn how to do a tutorial, how to post a story on FA in text format. Remember, it's required to have this little program right here, which is OpenOffice 4.1.1, and remember to save it in text format. Alrighty. Now then, I guess with that said and done, I guess I'll see y'all guys later. This is Merrick Channel, over and out.